To fix the problem where microphone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra doesn't work, first of all, if I open my camera app right here and begin video recording, the microphone doesn't work. So it starts to record, but if I then stop the recording, I can preview the video, and just to show you, there's no sound from it. It is unmuted, it just doesn't work. So to fix that issue, we'll need to open the settings on our device. We can then navigate down and select the security and privacy options. Then scroll all the way down to controls and alerts and make sure that microphone access is active. When it is, you can go back to video recording and then begin video recording again. Now let's check if there's actually sound. So now the sound should be working. Now let's check if there's actually sound. And yep, it is. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.